Remember when I told you a fried rice recipe was coming to the channel? It's finally here, and this is the easiest way you can make it. Start by prepping your ingredients, which includes your carrots, green pepper, red pepper, spring onions and green beans. Don't forget your sweet corn, kidney beans and veggie mix. Pour some groundnut oil into a pot or pan. Add your already prepped fried rice ingredients and fry for 3 to 5 minutes. After washing your rice thoroughly, parboil in already boiling water for 15 minutes. Saute some freshly cut ginger, onions and garlic. Don't forget to add your chicken or beef stock with curry and thyme. They are the main ingredients that will make or break this fried rice recipe. Add your already parboiled rice to the broth once it begins to boil. Cook until it's almost done, then add your veggies to the mix. While your rice is marinating and soaking up all that goodness, fry some plantains to add to this recipe, and trust me, you will thank me later. And you are left with this. Wow, just look at that. It looked good and it even tasted better. Let me know if you try this recipe. Give this video a thumbs up and support this small channel by subscribing right now and sharing the content to everyone you know. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.